Hello. This is The Secret, the Magic. Okay. And I revised it here in my journal. It's like my gratitude journal. Okay. In this one, we are on Works Like Magic. This is like an audio library. So, yeah, enjoy. Take any activity, any art, any discipline, any skill, take it and push it as far as it will go. Push it where it has never gone before, push it to the wildest edges, and then force yourself into the realm of magic. How can it be that one person who was born into total poverty, starts out with nothing, and has very little education, and goes and becomes president or a celebrity, or builds an empire and becomes one of the wealthiest people in the world? And how is it that two can start out in the same career, and yet one person's career goes from success to even greater success, while the other person seems to work themselves into the ground no matter how hard they try? The key is gratitude, because according to the law of attraction, you have to be grateful for what you have to attract success to you. Sorry for if you hear random noises in the neighborhood. Anyways, where was I? So that you have to be grateful for what you have to attract success to you, so that way you will have permanent success. To bring success or increase the good things in your work, opportunities, promotions, money, brilliant ideas, inspirations, and appreciations, the more gratitude you have, the more you will have to be grateful for. And you should be getting the idea by now that to increase anything in life, you have to be grateful for what you already have. Whoever has gratitude will be given more, and he or she will have abundance. When you are grateful for your work, and when you give more to your work, you will increase the money and success that is returned to you. The amount you give in gratitude is exact proportional to the amount you receive in return. You control the amount you receive by the amount of gratitude you give. If you are a business owner or business, and your value will increase according to your gratitude. If you're a parent and you're working and taking care of your children and managing your home, looking for things to be grateful for at this time in your life, it is often one in a lifetime opportunity. And when you can be grateful for this time, you attract more support, more help, more beautiful moments, and more happiness to the experience. You should love your job, whatever it is, and be excited about going to work, and you shouldn't settle for anything less. The way you receive your dream job is being grateful now. Now imagine that you have an invisible manager whose job is to keep a record of the thoughts and feelings you have more about your job. Imagine that your manager will follow you wherever you go, poised and with a notebook in hand. Every time you find something about your job to be grateful for, your manager will make a note of it. Your job is to find as many things as you can to be grateful for, so at the end of the day, your manager has a long description of all your gratitude. The longer the description, the more magic your invisible manager can bring to you: money, work, success, opportunities, enjoyment, fulfillment. Think about all the things you can be grateful for in your work. To begin with, think about the fact that you actually have a job. Think how people would give anything to have a job. Think about things you could be grateful for in your work. Think about the time-saving equipment you use, such as your phone or printers, the internet, and computers. Think about people who you work with and friendships you have with them. Think about the people you make your job easier, such as receptionists, assistants, janitors, and delivery people. Think about how good it feels when you receive your check, and think about the favorite aspects of your job that you love doing. Have your invisible manager, excuse me now, invisible manager make a note each time you find something you're grateful for. And by saying, "I'm so grateful for," insert here. The more deeply your manager can see you're feeling gratitude, the sooner your manager can start to make the magic happen in your work, and the more magic will be created. It is possible that you could generate so much gratitude for your work in one day that you will see the circumstances instantly improve. Lucky breaks don't happen by accident. They are simply gratitude's magical power at work. Excuse me, thank you. This works like magic, and it is all compounds over to all your days. The magical way out. A thankful person is thankful under all circumstances. Just giving thanks to others will always lead to our life magically increasing. Be grateful for your health at all times. Be grateful for your job every day. Be grateful for your money. Be grateful and imagine everything going smooth. Be grateful for everything you have and own. Be grateful for each day. It's possible to have adversity when you're grateful. It's impossible to have adversity when you're grateful. And the best news is that if you have adversity in your life, currently won't take a long period of time to transform them with gratitude. The adverse situations will disappear in a puff of smoke, just like magic. Always look for things to be grateful for in any circumstance. No matter what it may be, you can always find something to be grateful for, especially when you know that your gratitude will magically transform every adverse condition and circumstance. Walt Disney, who knew about the true magic, life showed us how to do this in the movies. It is the Glad game featured in the movie. To play the Glad game, you look for as many things as you can to be glad about, especially adverse conditions. Finding things to be glad about or grateful for in any condition makes solutions appear. Walt Disney demonstrated the magical powers of gratitude, and thousands of years earlier, Buddha demonstrated the way to use the same magical power when he said, "Let's rise up and be thankful, for if we didn't learn a lot today, at least we learned a little, and if we didn't learn a little, at least we didn't get sick, and if we didn't get sick, at least we didn't die." Let us all be thankful. Let Buddha's words be your inspiration. Take your adversity and look for things to be thankful for. Buddha is showing you the way to do it. Practice gratitude here again. The most powerful of meditations is concentrated effort of focus. The key must be concentration of thought. I'm so grateful to have had more time for my family during this period. I'm grateful that my life is in a lot better order because of the spare time I've had. I'm grateful that I've had a job most of my life and that I am experienced. I am truly grateful that this is my first time at this job. I'm grateful that I will be appearing. I'm grateful for all the things I've learned in applying for at this job. I'm grateful that I have my health and that I can work. I'm grateful for my family's encouragement and support. I'm grateful for the rest I've had because I needed it. I'm grateful for through this, and I realized how much it means to me. These are just examples, and you could always fill in your own blank. You know, this is just for you as much as it is for me. Excuse me here. I realized that until now. As a result of your own gratitude, you will attract different circumstances, and their current situation must and will magically change. The power of gratitude is greater than any adverse situation, and there are unlimited ways that the adverse situation can change. All you have to do is practice gratitude and watch the magic take place. I'm grateful that most of the relationships in my life are really good. I'm grateful through that the relationship with my father, I've learned how to have compassion and great understanding. I'm grateful to my father for showing me how important encouragement is in raising happy, confident children. I'm really grateful I got to have a laugh with my father. I'm so truly grateful that I have a father, because amid these times there have been good times and there will be more good times ahead. As a result of my heartfelt feeling of gratitude, the relationship will magically change for the better. I change the way I think and feel about him, which immediately changes what I get back from him. Even though I was being grateful in my mind, at an energetic and quantum level, the gratitude will have magically effect on all the relationships, providing that the gratitude is maintained by the law of attraction. You must receive far better circumstances in all relationships. And all relationships must begin to improve immediately. Remember, you can tell your gratitude is working by the way you feel. You should feel a lot better about the situation by practicing gratitude. Gratitude. The first evidence of gratitude's magical power working is your feelings lifting up. So when you do feel a lot better about it, you know the solutions will appear. The answer is always within, so constantly focus your gratitude until you feel it, and then you will see magic work in the wonders of the outside world. I'm so grateful for my subconscious mind. I'm so glad that it's protecting me and guiding me. I'm so grateful for the universe showing me the way. I'm so grateful for God. I'm so grateful for all the journals. I'm so grateful for all the individual authors of the books for helping me realize my dreams. I'm so grateful I rewired my brain for success, imagination, and poise of character. I'm so grateful for my gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the perfect resolution. But I have to say that I am really grateful for the law of attraction. This is your magic lifeline. Grab hold of it whenever you need it. Put out any adversity automatically with your gratitude, and at the same time you will ignite the magic in your life. Hello neighbors.
Did you drop something up here on the deck the other night?
No, I put it there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why'd you do that?
I just had it. It was just extra.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, we're not gonna get any use out of it, man. You might as well find someone else who can take it then.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, you're like, nah, we're not gonna get any use out of it. I appreciate it, but
Yeah. Where are we? Oh, he's really nice.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
It's one of those things that neither one of us ever really had
Oh,
time
that's good.
for.
Yeah.
I appreciate it though.
Yeah, for sure. Okay. We're gonna continue here from here. We're not gonna stop. Cause I mean, yeah, we're not gonna stop. Automatically with gratitude, at the same time you will ignite the magic in your life. The magical way out. Remember to count your blessings, describe your blessings, write why you're grateful, reread and repeat. And at the end of the story, say thank you and feel as grateful as you can. Your life once resolved. Write the things that you are grateful for about the situation at the end. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and for the absolutely perfect resolution. But I have to say, I'm really grateful for music. Always live in gratitude. Thanks.